Yeah, it's our national education policy. You find out some corrections in the policy, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
please.
that there is an opportunity to implement the policy
Yeah.
and for teachers to have a better understanding how to implement it. One of the key areas in the policy is about play-based learning. It would be great to see the teachers have a greater understanding of how to implement that.
The national education policy, as it comes to a global in early education, what corrections you are in demanding?
It does state that there is a mentor program, but if you implement a mentor program, it has to be with somebody experienced in early childhood, not just somebody that's been a teacher, but somebody that is qualified in early childhood. That would be great when you're mentoring.
Here, the World Montessori Council demanding that the Montessori system has to be incorporated here. The national education policy doesn't mention it, even a term of Montessori.
I don't think you need to follow a particular philosopher. When you follow Montessori, you must purchase the Montessori resources. If you don't purchase them, then you can't provide.
That is
a
the world
quality
finest
program.
education system, no?
Yes.
In early education, she made a lot of the finest education system in the world, in the early education.
Yes, she did. But we don't have to follow a particular philosopher. We can have a more generalist approach,
Okay.
and that makes it easier for the educator to implement it.